Alright guys, so today we are at the Grand Canyon and it's not snowing, so we're going to be able to see it. Turn it on, look up.
Okay, so that's what we missed last time.
That's really fucking cool.
You don't want to look down there.
No? Now I do.
It's straight down. No ledge.
I'm already scared. And I'm not even at the ledge.
What?
I said I'm already scared and I'm not even at the ledge.
We're not going down, are we? I'm not going down.
Down where?
Down on the trails down there.
That's scary. I can't get closer. I don't want to. That's why people fall off and die. Okay, it's your face, Daniel. Go down to the canyon. You guys, it is absolutely amazing. And I am thankful for these railings, because otherwise, it's slightly nerve-wracking. And if you can see over there, it's where all the hotels and chalets are. Mountains. This is amazing. This is crazy. My father would have an absolute fit if he was here with me, because he'd be so nervous about all the stuff. And I said I would not want to have Alexis here. It's too scary. Crazy. That's where he came from.
Lots of pictures of the same hole.
Tell me what you think of the Grand Canyon so far, though.
There's a big hole in the ground.
Like it, though?
It's a nice hole.
That's some gash.
One of my favorite holes to visit.
It's pretty deep though.
As holes go, it's one of the better ones.
Daniel's son? You
It's
like
not a
it?
hole, it's a trench. I mean, it's a pretty big gash. I mean, what can you say?
Dan found a cave.
It's good to find a cave. One day to find a cave.
I'll find a book.
To get on the bus, cause we're tired and can't breathe. Ooh, that feels nice.
Oh,
It's working, just got no water to,
God damn ain't working.
these boys. They're pretty funny, these two boys. Hoover Dam, baby! Why would they do that? Oh my god, and this used to be full of water, too. It's not. Yeah?
This is where the power is generated by the pressure of the backflow of this water on this.
Oh, I see. Yeah. We'll go with your story.
You can go with your story.
We should have brought a ball. Drop it down.
They get really mad.
Hoover Dam. It's a long way down.
That's your body?
Yeah. Put it in where you put it in your head, on your chest. secret gardens of Siegfried and Roy.
Did you buy tickets there or you just go in?
Just for,
buy tickets?
oh yeah, thank you. The sharks. Oh, yeah, dolphins. I'm stupid.
Sharks with the kids.
I'm not very smart. Let's go look. Oh my God.
Oh, baby.
Hey! Oh my God! That's amazing.
Alberto. For $70. All right.
With the white tigers. Amazing. And you guys, down there we just met Siegfried from Siegfried and Roy. Right there, Siegfried. What? 100%. Is he always here, I wonder?
How can it be all the time? It's impossible, Joey. That's a long day.
Who knows?
He's gotta go for a break at lunch, you know?
Well, yeah, I guess.
I mean, I'm sure he loves it, but...
Look at this guy. He wants to bite us. Oh, look at them. Yes, Queen. Oh my God.
I'm extremely nervous.
That is the best. He's coming for you, Roland.
I'm very nervous, Joey. I'm gonna go over here with
We can't. He's not gonna jump through it at you. That big guy. He's showing off. Don't upset him.
I'm gonna go down there.
Growling?
No, he's marking the territory.
Wait.
I know.
Get it. Get it.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, the sweet baby.
It's nice.
Get it. Get it.
Look at that.
He's like, where's my fish? Get up! He jumped right up on the ledge.
It's so slippery. It's just like sliding.
Where?
Oh,
Yeah.
Let me just grab my phone.
Get like,
Oh, look.
he's like,
They're like, hell yeah. Oh my God.
Joey, your bag's by your butt.
Thank you.
Honey. And your wing is under your butt. Here they all come, look, man, they're coming like crazy.
Oh my God.
I want food.
That is amazing.
Planned it good today, kid. Vayas.
Aww.
when they waved.
That's a